Oh yeah, Germans. You gotta watch for Germans. Now, pull that thing down here. I had to rearrange some plugs. Wait, let me, before you take it. So this one is dusty. It's set up a little bit differently. I'm gonna. You might want to go back.
Yeah.
So you'll see it boots to a bunch of steps. And what does that mean? It means that it's going up to the maximum level very slowly with each pull. So that's too many steps. So we want to take that out. So on this one, it'll say step 6. We take that out. Step 1. This one is a touch screen. Okay. 15 minutes is the time. Take the steps out of the end of it. Okay. Maximum, let's see. So that's what it should look like for this unit. Okay, but this is a touch screen. That one looks like a touch screen, but it is not. So don't get frustrated. I've had to say to some patients, not a touch screen. Okay. And then on this one you hit start. You can pause this treatment. And you can increase it while it's on too. Just make sure you do it in the rest cycle. Now the way that you use cervical, I'm going to spend a lot of time because I'm going to practice more cervical next time. That one. Did you hand me that cervical traction? This one you don't really need to use belts for. It's kind of nice. But this one it has to kind of go in. Snap down. I do need to put the strap on. Anybody know how these things work? I have no idea how to tighten it. Yeah, how to loosen it and tighten it.
To wrench the strap.
Pull the metal.
Yeah.
And now loosen it.
Pull it all the way. Somebody did that and I have.
Yeah, open it up.
Open it
To
up?
the left. Yeah. Keep going.
You might have to do this.
All right, I'll have to mess with that. It's got to tie into position, to hold the position. And then the person lies on here. Now the thing about the cervical, and again, I'm going to go over this more on Wednesday. So today I want to focus on lumbar manual. Thank you. Manual traction, and then I'm going to show you positional traction so you can work on all three. With this unit, it's very sensitive when you tighten the occipital piece. Okay. So if you're righty-tighty, okay, and it gets a little stiff, don't keep cranking, okay, because it's a little plastic piece and it breaks very easily. Okay, so this is lefty to tighten it, and righty to open it. It's the opposite. So just be cautious because we've broken this thing a number of times. Okay. So I probably think you should get into groups of 4 to the traction table, 4 to practice putting the belts on, and then the rest of you to try the manual lumbar, and then I want you to try it, but don't do a whole treatment on each other. Set up, break it down, and just keep switching so that we can keep rotating people through. Okay?
The person with the belt can kind of be next. So once you've got
Right.
your belt on, don't just put the belts on and take them off. Okay, just get in line. As soon as that person gets up, the next person's belts are already on. They can go down. And
Yes.
the next person can put a belt on. So you can kind of keep a steady stream.
Are there any more belts in that drawer?
I see something. I'm not sure what it is.
Yes.
Okay.
It'll be the belt assembly line.
So there can be 2 sets of belts over there, and then a set of belts for y'all just to practice putting it on and off, just to kind of get the feel of it. Okay, so we can put the practice the belts.
It's gross. It's like sticky. I didn't actually get sweaty though, but I usually do.
Okay, so these are the 4 on the traction. I need 4 over here for the belts, and then the rest of you can come with me, and I'll show you some stuff. Oh, so I'm gonna go over here.
Or in that
No,
notice,
okay.
Sure.